Ici no imwe cia ndawa iria Ngabana wa Narok Samuel Ole Tunai araheyanire kuri thibitarĩ nene cia kuma mwena ũcio ita njĩra ya gũkinyiria arwaru motungata makinyaniru ma ũrigitani kuria Ngabana ũcio aramenereirie ikinya ria atungatiri a arwaru ria guthi na mbere na kugoma.
I'm not just going to wait at mumekaa karibu 4-5 days bila patients ati mnakaa kuja kusema nini tuongee nini. What are we going to say? This is going to be an example. And this is better mujue here. We are not going to even move an inch. We are not going to blackmail us. Patients suffering here for no reason at all. While we have been very, very good to you, we have been handling you very, very well. Whatever they wanted, they should come and they should have talked to CC, or they come and talk to me.
Ngabana Tunai augete kuma kiambiriria gia kiumia giki turorete atungatiri othe arwaru aria magomete ni magokorwo magifutwo wira na angi marehwo kuona ni makoretwo makirihwo wega ona gukira atungatiri akuma icigo ingi na oho niguo makorwo mari githomo kuri atungatiri angi arwaru aria mathiete na mbere na kugoma kuma miene ingi ya bururi.
How many nurses are on strike? Replace. Wacha tupatane mahali. You already kama hujakuja kazi karibu wiki moja unataka nini tena? Go and look at job mahali ambayo iko. I want to thank wale wamefanya kazi. And in fact I'm going to look into their remuneration. If we are going to even see those walikata kwenda, I want them promoted.
Na CC wa ugima wa mwiri kaunti ni Narok Mpeti augite matigwitikira arwaru magieke nundu wa kwaga atungatiri na magutigirira ni marehe andu angi na oho ni akumitia atungatiri a arwaru aria matanagoma kona ni makoretwo magiteithiriria hanene hari gutangikira arwaru muno makiria aria mari hatikaine.
Taking measures as a county government to actually combat the strike. We've been in negotiation with the union, the branch union, and we are still asking them that there is the conciliation process that has begun, and we are asking for that period so that we are able to come back and give services to the wanainchi.
Ngabana Tunai ni arutite Mukaana kuri aruti wira othe a thibitari aria makoretwo makiya ndawa na kuga uthuthuria ni wambikitwo nuria ukunyitwo kana amenyekane ni akoretwo akiya ndawa ni agufutwo wira na oho oero makinya mahiu maki watho. Ngiribotera Inoro TV, jitagwo Kate Muthoni.